Good day, guys. Welcome back to my channel. By the way, if you are new to this channel, please before you go, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. I want us to quickly do a quick analysis on our Euro USD for today, which is on the 31st. The ending of this month. The month is about to end. The last day for this one. Let's see where our price will move. Now, I've done a weekly analysis. If you want to watch it, you can go back. You can watch it. I did a quick a weekly analysis of where our price might be moving this week. So today let's do analysis on it. As you can see here, I'm on my daily time frame now. You can see we are on our Euro USD. We can see that our Euro is actually going up now for the past week now. But if you have to look at it overall movement, we see that our Euro has actually been falling, right? And I personally taking here as a pullback, a retracement, whereby our price is about to push down. That is exactly what we are looking for. We are looking for our price about to push down, and you can see the start of this today, the start of this 31st. We can see that we are at the red now. This is the candle, this is our candle, and it is actually red. And I am looking for still continuous drop, at least to, let us say, let's be able to grab about 60 pips. Currently now, we are very very early in the morning. The London market has not yet open. The New York market has not yet open. So I mean, very very early this morning now. So we can actually be able to grab a lot. So above all, what do you want to say? This week we are aiming for our Euro to actually fall. For today too, there's every possibility that our Euro can actually fall at least to 50 pips. Then we can actually now see a pullback, a retracement, which we push up. Then before we can actually now see a drop. Exactly what I think might be happening. But above all, this week we are aiming for a drop on our Euro USD. Our Euro USD will be dropping. That is for our daily time frame. You can see our Euro USD wants to drop, and it's giving us a preparation that our Euro USD is about to be dropping, by the way, which I've just highlighted. Now let's go to our 4 hour time frame. You can see now our Euro US is about to drop, by the way. So I think it would be a very good time to actually take your trade, to actually take your sell for this week, right? They are taking when our price breaks below this our area here. The reason is that, as you can see, we are still on the 4 hour time frame. We are still seeing something like a drop, like a replacement, uptrend move on our 4 hour time frame. But we would want to be taking our short position. But for today, let's see if our price will actually drop to like for about 50 pips, 50 to 60 pips. That is if our price can actually hit this our 60 pips here, this I've just marked, which will be around here. Then probably we might see a push up, try and retest this area, giving us a double top. I don't know how the price will react, but let's see. This is exactly what I think might happen. So if in case our price reacts that way, it gives us a double top, then our price should actually be falling down. And if possibly it breaks below down here, boom, we are already on a downward trend. We are already on a downward trend. That is if our price manages to react that way. So before that, I think that might happen. There might be a solid news that might happen, which I've actually checked our news and I've never seen any solid news. Let's go to our forest factory. You can see now I've been able to check our euro. This daily euro, which will be coming out by 7:45 a.m., which I've just set to my own time accordingly. So we see there's no much movement, much something that can actually move our forex markets very well. The only thing that we have is just the French consumer spending, the French premium, and we have the French prelim with GDP, quarter to quarter. So I mean, there's no major news that can actually move our euro USD to to that direction and everything. But for above all, this week we will want to be seeing a drop. So for today we should actually be seeing a drop, then a push up, because we can see our day starting with a drop on our euro against our USD. So that's exactly what I think that might happen. Now to my 1 hour time frame, we can see a drop, by the way. So if possibly we can get that drop below this our area here, then I think our sell setup have already begun. We have already gotten our sell. It's time to take our sell. But we are on a short time frame. We want to see where our price will be moving for today. But above all, let's see our price. If there will be a major news, then we would want to be checking the news to see if it will actually affect our movements for today. But no major news. So if you want to stay out of this trade, fine. If you want to take the trade, which is actually fine, by the way. So let's see how our price will go. As you can see on our daily time frame, we've checked it. Our price is dropping. On our 4 hour time frame is dropping, and 1 hour time frame, our price is actually dropping. Then before you can actually now see a push up by the time we have the opening London session. And let's see if in case our price manages to push up, then this place will be an area where we will see that massive fall, by the way. If we don't get our fall on our euro USD, this my area that I've just marked, which is green, then definitely we should be able to get the fall this area that I've just marked, which is about 1.08. 1.08. Then we should be able to get our drop. So above all, let's be able to let's see if you can go short, if you can short our position about 50 to 60 pace for today, for the time that I'm just uploading this video, by the way. So on our opening London session, price can be different. New York session, price can be different, but let's see how our price reacts. So that is our analysis for today. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.